Hey everybody, John Vapor Running Technologies here, working with some CNC parts that we showed you a couple days ago, maybe yesterday. This is a part blasted with number 13 glass bead, otherwise known as 170 325 mesh glass bead. Fresh off the CNC, comes out immaculate. Over here we have an unblasted sample just right from the mill, and this is 6061 aluminum. You can see all the toolpath marks. If you could feel the edges, just a nice little sharp edge, crisp edge. Not really any type of major burr on this part. So what we were doing is, what I'm showing you here is this pocket area, which it's going to be the same in every pocket, but this pocket area is what I've been getting an image of and wanted to show you some surface roughness data. You can see down there 2.53 RA, that's the roughness of the surface. That's actually the image right here of the surface. This is the glass bead blasted sample, and I also have the unblasted sample as well that I want to show you. But if you remember, 2.53 surface RA, this is what the surface looks like. This is 200 times magnification. Quite incredible, right? Looks about the size of the abrasive itself. The pitting, if you will, or lack thereof. You're only going to see a slight surface roughness change from the mill to the glass bead blasted sample. I know a million people have a million different questions about blasting samples, blasting parts, and what's it going to do to the surface? Is it going to remove material? Is it going to damage my parts? We're answering that question for you right now. This is again the glass bead blasted sample at 2.53 RA. Let's go find our other sample right here. This is the machined part. We're at 2.52. So, I mean, from 2.52 raw machined right out of the machine, out of the CNC, you can see all the toolpath marks and lines here. That's raw at 2.52. Blasted, the surface RA only went to 2.53. So it's an incredible process where you can get some beautiful results on your parts. You can change the look of that part or the finish. You can prep for coatings. Yes, we can go way more aggressive than this. We can change the abrasive type and the abrasive size to fit your application. But this is just truly impeccable to be able to see the surface at 200 times magnification. So what it actually looks like, if we could see it to the naked eye, which we can't, we can see something that is much prettier than what we're actually seeing on the microscope here. But we can see that the surface roughness is not drastically changed in a bad way. So oftentimes we have requests every single day about different roughness requirements. That's why we have this technology here. New for 2024, major investment for our company here, major investment for you, the customer, so we can help you and get you the data you need to basically build a better product. That's what we're doing here. We can do this for you. If you have questions, call or email the sales team. They can help you. They can get you these images. You can make presentations for this. If you're an engineer and you need data, call us. That's what we're here for. We don't just blast parts. We don't just set people up and sell people machines. We set people up with processes, and we can give you data. We can do that better than ever before now with this kind of technology. There's going to be a million more videos. You guys are going to get sick and tired of seeing videos on this because it's so amazing for us to be able to show you what that looks like, what the surface looks like, but also what the roughness is. And this data doesn't lie. This is some very advanced technology. This is as close as you can get to a scanning electron microscope. And those of you that know how much those cost, those are hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars. So super excited about this, as you can tell. Love this technology. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, subscribe to our channels. like our videos, comment below if you want to see something else, or if you want some stuff sent in to get some data, we can do that for you. But super, super pumped about this. If you guys need more information, call or email us. We're always here, happy to help. As always, guys, thanks for watching.